Hey guys, it's Gary and Tracy. We're just in southern Thailand in a little province of Penang. We're about to go up to Khao Sok National Park for about 3 days. We're just in a little bungalow about 30 minutes out of Khao Sok National Park. So we're about to head up there. We're going to hit some waterfalls, have something to eat, and we're going to bamboo rafting possibly.
Bamboo rafting.
So we're going to possibly go bamboo rafting, and there's a suspension bridge I'd like to go to and have a look at before we head up to the national park. So come in and join us. We're about to jump on our motorbike and head up to the national park. So subscribe and hit that like button. We'll see you soon. All right, there's our little...
We haven't named it.
We haven't named the bike, but we'll come up with a name. But there's our bike that's going to take us all around southern Thailand for the next about 3 weeks. So we're heading off.
We're ready to rock and roll.
We're ready to rock and roll. It's a 300cc scooter. Never ridden one before. It was quite taxing coming out of Phuket. It was shocking. So this is where we're staying.
You take your life in your very hands.
It's around here. It's on the lake here, or the river here. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Waking up to this, and we just stay right there with a little patio veranda thing there. But let's jump on the bike, Trey. Oh, an Instagram swing. We're not into the Instagram swings. Come on, let's go. Let's get on the bike and head up to Khao Sok National Park.
All right, let's go.
All right, let's go. Come on.
This was a nice place to stay.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place to stay just for the night. Just before you enter.
Let's stay here again.
I think we're about 30 kilometres. I think it's about an hour outside of Khao Sok National Park. Yeah, it was a nice place to stay. The beds were rock hard, but I think that's the norm in Thailand. But it actually wasn't too bad. The room was nice and neat, clean, very clean. 1,000 baht. Yeah, I'd stay there again. It's nice on the little lake there.
Beautiful and quiet.
Oh, beautiful. It was absolutely beautiful. But now we've got to cross this road. Alrighty, this is Thailand when you see elephants. Oh, guys and houses. Where's it going?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's stepping over there. Let's get out of the way.
Oh my gosh.
Only in Thailand, the elephant runs in front of you.
Our first elephant.
Our first elephant crossing. I thought it was just walk along the road, and then suddenly it just kind of, well, that's it, we're going in front of you. It's not stopping for anyone. Stopped at Khao Sok Sunlight Little Cafe. I think it's going to be an amazing view down here. And we were greeted by a heap of dogs that ran over to us when we first came in here. And we're going to go and have a look at the nice little view down here. I don't think this cafe's open. Let's go and have a look. Look at this amazing view, and we haven't even scratched the surface of what's going to look like in the next couple of days with the scenery. Absolutely breathtaking. Look at that. I don't know if the GoPro's going to really project what it actually looks like on camera. Amazing, eh? Absolutely stunning views.
Yeah, beautiful.
It looks like a nice little cafe. It's not open. We would have stopped here and got a drink and had something to eat, but we have to go to the next one. Nice little tables here overlooking these spectacular views. People are camping down there. Look at that. Beautiful views of southern Thailand. On board and go. We're going to stop at a nice waterfall hopefully and have a look, see what it looks like, and get something to eat soon. Food, because we haven't eaten yet. So let's get back on the road. Oh, Beautiful, beautiful look out there. Let's start the bike up.
Hang on.
Turn it on. Alrighty. Jump on tray.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Oh, it's about, what do you reckon? Oh, it got cool up there, didn't it, on the mountain?
Yeah,
coming down the
it's
mountain.
nice.
It was, I reckon it was about 28 degrees and it went down to 20 degrees. It was like a nice little breeze just coming through. So, all right, we're off to, where are we off to?
Is that breeze now? Nice.
We're off to a waterfall in 5 minutes. So let's just get going.
Bye, doggos.
See you, dogs. Oh, there's a car coming. All right, we're on our way. All right, we've just arrived at Khao Sok National Park. We're going to go and have a look at a waterfall and see what else is doing here. This is one section, and I think one entry into Khao Sok National Park. But I think
get some food.
You can get some food. That's the most important because she is hungry.
I'm starving.
All right, so there's our motorbike again. I think it cost 200. What was it? 200 baht. 200 baht to get in here, and 20 for the car. So this is a car park. So let's go and have a look at the waterfall. All right, this is the entrance to the Khao Sok National Park. So this is where we're going to go and have a look at the waterfalls, Trey.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's 2.8 kilometres.
2.8 kilometre walk.
Don't go off the trail.
5.6 kilometre round trip. And how much was it? It was 200 baht each and 50 for the motorbike. So we parked the motorbike down there and we're just going to go for a wander straight down. It's actually quite cool in here, isn't it?
It's nice. It's actually really nice.
So let's go and see a beautiful, nice waterfall in Khao Sok National Park. Our first leg of our Khao Sok National Park adventure, day one. I think we're going to be here for 3 days. So yeah, we're going up to a Wing Hin waterfall.
Wing Hin waterfall.
And what did the sign say?
Stay on the trail. No climbing. Do not feed wildlife. Keep clean. Beware of elephants.
But elephants? I know, we nearly got hit by an elephant driving it. That was incredible. All right, so let's go down to the waterfall. Look at this amazing bamboo. Look how thick it is. It's just amazing. Let's have a look. This bamboo, I think it like grows like centimetres or inches every day. It's the fastest growing wood in the world. Whee, look at this.
Oh my God.
Tracy's panicking. Beware of wild elephants. And as I said before, we've already had an encounter with an elephant. It nearly ran us off the road. It was quite scary. We didn't know what was going on. An elephant was running at us across the road, and I had to swerve around him, swerve around the elephant on my motorbike, and it just kind of went down into the jungle area. But this is Thailand for you. Walking for about half an hour. And I think the waterfall's up above this little ridge line that we're going up now. As you see, if you listen, you can hear the birds, the waterfall in the background. It's just so peaceful up here, isn't it? Very, oh, what was coming down there? It's probably monkeys. It's really nice up here. You're doing well, Trey. Nearly down.
I don't see any waterfall.
Oh, there's a waterfall down there, I can hear it. So, just past the shops and the toilet, and we're on a trail that, well, I don't know where the trail is now, but the waterfall's up this way somewhere. Alrighty, I think that was a little bit of a bust. We're expecting, you know, a medium-sized waterfall. You know, something with a little bit of substance. It's a nice area, beautiful area, nice water and all that. But yeah, I wouldn't say it's not a very big waterfall. I flew the drone over. It's just really hard to get down near the down near that little waterfall. It's probably only about a metre high. It's not very big, but it's yeah, it's nice. It took us about half an hour to walk down here, so yeah, it's not a bad walk. If you want to come and see like a big massive waterfall, this is not the place, so just keep on driving. But it's actually quite nice, you know, come into National Park. I think there's more to do further down the track, but we've got other things to do. We're only going to walk, I think it was 2.6 kilometres in and 2.6 kilometres out. There's other things to do in the national, further past in the national park that we're going to walk to, but we've got other things to do along the line, so we're going to go back to the motorbike and keep on going. All right, guys, we jumped back on the motorbike from Khao Sok National Park, feeling pretty hungry, so we made our way down the road to find a nice little cafe on the side of the road. We went in the little cafe and we found, we ordered fried rice with chicken, and it was quite nice and tasty, and we ordered some chicken satay. The skewers were really nice and tender, and the dipping sauce was a little bit of spice to it. It was very nice. We quite enjoyed that. We also ordered the spring rolls with vegetable inside of it, and they were nice and crispy and quite tasty as well. Alrighty, after lunch we jumped back on the motorbike and headed towards Khao Teppitak suspension bridge. We went through some really nice scenery in the roads. It was quite a nice drive. It was probably about, I think it was about half an hour drive, and we arrived at the Khao Teppitak suspension bridge. We started walking across the bridge, and we seen a sign that said only 20 people only on the bridge. It was amazing because we actually saw motorbikes and cars actually driving across the suspension bridge while we were there. During that time we took some really epic drone footage that you'll see. It comes up really nice, and the scenery and the river was quite nice to look at. Yeah, we jumped back on the motorbike to head to our accommodation for the next 3 days. In the next 3 days we're planning to go to the Khao Sok National Park waterways. We're going to be jumping on a long-tail boat, and we're going to spend a few hours, probably 2 or 3 hour tour up the river there to see the beautiful Khao Sok National Park waterways. Really excited about doing that. It's a highlight of our trip that we're planning on doing, so make sure that you follow our next adventures and hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to end the video here, and thanks for watching, guys.